In a galaxy far, far away, there lived a YouTuber Jedi named Luke Skywalker. What up, guys? It's Luke Skywalker, and today this is a activity vlog. This is the activity vlog number 2. And this activity vlog today is we're gonna try 2 Nerf guns. In this vlog, I'm gonna get it now, but I'm not gonna get it now because it's here already, and we're gonna try the very first Nerf gun. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Okay, here. Let's go in the area, in the lobby. Okay, there. The very first Nerf gun we're gonna use is the Jolt Nerf gun. This Nerf gun is a Jolt Nerf gun. There. Jolt Nerf gun, and this is the bullet. The first thing that you're gonna ask is, why is it so small? It's small because Nerf used it. Nerf has no brains. They use this gun very small. Okay, so this is a very small, but it's very dangerous. It has this thing right here. It's a very big barrel, like barrel, because this is the one that sucks all the air, so that the bullet can fly very hard. This trigger right here, you can't fire it because you need to pull this to cock it. There. Wait, let's try it again. You're gonna hear a little sound like that. See? There. And then you're gonna fire it, and this is gonna go up. There. And it's a little bit of air right here. Can you hear that? Okay, so we're gonna put this thing on, and let's try. Cock it. Okay, let's fire this thing. Let's fire this thing. Okay, let's fire this thing. Okay, that's a very nice shot. Let's do it again. Okay, it's a very good shot. You can't really see the bullet flying because it's very fast. So I'm gonna aim it to you. Okay, so I just missed. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, there. Okay, flew. There, so that I give you. And this is the last trick shot. Dude perfect. And this is called the no looker smiling. The no looker smiling. And I think I'm gonna make a video, Nerf War, yeah, about my sister, me and my cousin, Lucas Tube 1129, and then he's gonna do like this, and then yeah. So the next Nerf is the just kidding. The next video, the next Nerf gun. Okay, so this is the Jolt, and the next gun is this has two. This is the 2-gun strong arm gun, and it has 2. I'm just gonna pick one of them because the other one, these are 2 guns. These are 2 guns, and the other one is in my room right there. And this is a gun that this barrel can be removed. Just press this thing, push it. There, it goes up, and you can see the barrel. It's just fun turning it. It's like a fidget spinner. If I'm gonna turn it fast, and you're gonna watch it. I just use green bullets because some of the bullets just, I don't know, went away. Oh, I'm just so, I don't know. I just forget where I put my bullets. So let's fire this thing. Cock it. And then let's do this thing. Fire it there. This has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bullets, and we're gonna try it, all of them. Last one. Okay, let's check out the bullets. So yeah, got bullets. It's raining bullets. It's raining bullets. It's raining bullets. It's raining bullets. Oh my gosh, it's raining bullets. I just got something that's stuck in my head. So let's hear it for strong arm. And it's gonna do it right there. Okay, so let's put it back. And yeah, it's gonna take a while. Almost done. Yeah, I'm just gonna make some jokes. These nuts. I got him. I got him. Okay, 21. Okay, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and let's get 8 likes for this video. And please let me let me reach 30 subscribers in my videos. 30 subscribers in my channel. And if not 30, 35 or 40, my dream is to get 20,000 subscribers. Please help me reach my dream. And please, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and may the YouTube force be with you always.